What's up everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Cash, where we go over different ways to make that crypto. I'm super excited to go over these 3 different apps that make money while walking or being active. With the third app having such a strong movement, some are calling it the new Shiba Inu. So let's get started. The first app I'd like to go over is the well-liked Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is among the earliest free paid-to-walk applications and probably still is the most popular. Steps on a treadmill or in the house are now counted and paid for by the app, which previously only counted outside steps. But walking earns you crypto with Sweatcoin, a free mobile app, and if you walk for 1,000 steps, you earn a coin, which can be exchanged for a variety of goods, services, and experiences. But anyone above the age of 13 from any country in the world is welcome to join. iOS and Android are the 2 available operating systems. Also PayPal, gift cards, tangible things, virtual products, products discounts, charitable donations, and vacations are some of the payment alternatives available to you. But the Sweatcoins may be redeemed for a variety of items and activities, or swapped with friends in the app. And the Sweatcoin prices are always changing, so I recommend saving your coins until you find something you truly enjoy. So quickly, there are 4 ways to make crypto with this app. One option is to simply walk. It really is that simple. You must walk in order to get coins. When you first open the app, you'll see a step counter showing you how many coins you've won so far. The program will automatically track your steps, so you don't have to do anything except leave it running in the background. As a regular member, you may only gain a total of 5 Sweatcoins every day for each 1,000 steps you take. In my perspective, it's not much, but again, there's nothing else you need to do. The only requirement is that you have your mobile device connected to the internet at all times in order to continue tracking your steps. The Sweatcoin engine is powered by Google Fit, a health tracking app for Android devices developed by the search giant Google if you're not already familiar. But fitness activities are recorded using sensors in a user's activity tracker or cell phone. Only running and walking are currently tracked, not cycling. And it's worth noting that Sweatcoin does not currently interface with wearables such as Fitbit or Apple Watch. Sweatcoin can only track your steps if you carry your smartphone on you. Option 2. Program for getting referrals. You may also make money from this app by recruiting new members. You may earn PayPal cash by referring friends to the platform, but it's not as easy as you might assume to get your hands on the reward. For PayPal cash, you must have at least 30 successful invites. You must have successfully asked someone to join Sweatcoin in order for them to become a member. Sweatcoin influencer status is automatically granted once you obtain 30 referrals. Afterward, you'll receive a greetings email that explains how to earn rewarded in cash for referring new customers. It's not just about the prize. You'll get entrance towards the influencer marketplace too, and may spend your money there. However, even if you're unable to invite 30 individuals, you may still get money by inviting others. Immediately after signing up, you'll have accessibility to the invitation link that you may share with others. In exchange for a referral, you will receive 5 Sweatcoins. So after you get 30 recommendations, you will be eligible to receive rewards in PayPal currency as previously indicated. The ability to earn more Sweatcoin by referring others is something to think about honing your skills in. Option 3. Daily bonuses. Sweatcoin's daily rewards program is the simplest way to get money. If you check into the application every day, you'll receive a daily prize. Simply go to the rewards part of the app, go through towards the daily rewards area, and press the claims button to get your reward. After that, you'll have to sit through a commercial. Close the ad when it has finished playing. Each day, you're limited to 1 use. There is no need to spend a lot of time on it or put in a lot of effort. Option 4. Form teams and set goals for them to achieve. One of the best ways to utilize Sweatcoin is to form a group and ask other people to join. The main purpose of Sweatcoin, which is to urge people to exercise, and being in a group, is a terrific method to keep yourself motivated to do so. As a result, forming teams and participating in contests can make Sweatcoin a more pleasurable experience. So now, our number 2 app is Lifecoin. Lifecoin is a service which compensates people for being outdoors running and walking. A Lifecoin token can be exchanged for various rewards depending on how many steps you take during a run or a walk. As an added bonus, you can receive Lifecoins by referring your friends and family to the app. Even though it may take some time before you get a large reward, it is a useful program to have going in the background when you're already out for a jog or walk every day. And when it comes to incentives, Lifecoin offers a variety of gift cards as well as the option to exchange your Lifecoins for tangible goods such as Beats headphones, a quadcopter, or AirPods, and etc. But there is no guarantee that the same rewards will be available at any given moment because they are given out on a first-come, first-served basis. So for free users, you only can get 5 Lifecoins per day with Lifecoin, which is similar to how Sweatcoin worked before. But for $4.33 a month, you may gain as much as 10 Lifecoins every day by upgrading. In addition to Azumio Premium, you'll also get access to all of Azumio's other popular applications as part of the membership. Number 3 is an interesting one for sure, Steppen. So you may earn crypto tokens as you exercise using the Steppen app, a new variant upon that play-to-earn gaming strategy which gave Axie Infinity such popularity last year, has been dubbed a move-to-earn model. The idea was the winner of the Solana hackathon, and it now has plenty of high-profile supporters behind it. In addition to Sequoia Capital and Alameda Research are the likes of Binance and others. Furthermore, its current success can be attributed to its listing on Binance. But so the app utilizes GPS for tracking the wearer's movements when they make a purchase of NFT footwear, which actually, the price for these NFT sneakers are around $1,000, but you can get anywhere around $40 for 5 miles or something like that every day. So eventually, you will have your initial investment paid off, if not sooner than later. Also, earning tokens gives exercisers the ability to improve their sneakers, which have varied qualities. But the Web3 jogging app Steppen pays users for working out. Since its December 2021 public beta debut, Steppen has grown the daily active users base to over 74,000, making it a leader in the move-to-earn movement. Sequoia and Solana Capital plus Alameda Research all participated in Steppen's $5 million initial round in January. Stepp has an in-app shop for NFT footwear. By becoming NFT sneakers, gamers may participate in the game Steppen and receive the green Satoshi token, which can then be exchanged for real money or GST. The GST award can be exchanged to SOL or USDC at a later time, but users may get handsome profits by walking, jogging, or running outside. And as they walk and exercise, Steppen users are rewarded with the green Satoshi tokens. It is possible to unlock treasure boxes and mint shoes as you go through the game. Also, to personalize any of these NFTs. But sharing statistics with friends and inviting others to participate are key components of Steppen's success. And the Web3 activity, Move to Earn, becomes more social and rewarding thanks to Steppen's online and social systems. In light of Steppen's recent earnings report, it is widely thought that the current price surge is a direct result of this. Steppen achieved a revenue of $26.81 million for Q1 2022, according to an official statement from the firm. As a result of its rapid rise in value, Steppen has already been dubbed the new Shiba Inu, or SHIB. Since the beginning of March, it has risen about 2,000%. Steppen shares certain similarities to SHIB among its early days, including a large price increase and being a top trending coin on CoinMarketCap. The resemblance to Shiba Inu come to a stop there, because Steppen is already way more useful than Shiba Inu. But Steppen will continue to cause tremendous expansion in the move-to-earn ways to make money, somewhat the similar way as Axie Infinity encouraged broad acceptance on the play-to-earn idea. Move-to-earn rewards have the ability to engage and influence a much larger audience by encouraging healthy habits, and Steppen encourages its users to walk, jog, or run. Well, those 3 apps are changing the game when it comes to move-to-earn ways to make money. I hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to like and subscribe to see more ways to make that crypto cash. Take care!